It's difficult to determine a single, best, robot website, as the quality of a website can depend on your specific interests and needs. However, I can suggest a few reputable websites that provide a wide range of information and resources related to robots and robotics. 1. Robotics.org. This is the official website of the Robotic Industries Association, RIA. It provides news resources and information about industrial robotics. 2.robohub.org. RoboHub is a leading platform for the latest news, research, and discussions in the field of robotics. It covers a wide range of topics and applications. 3. IEEE-SpectrumRobotics.com. IEEE Spectrum's robotics section offers articles, news, and in-depth features on robotics and automation technology. 4. Robotshop.com. Robotshop is a popular online store for robot parts and kits, but it also provides valuable resources, tutorials, and a community forum for robot enthusiasts. 5. ROS Robot Operating System. Wikiros.org. If you're interested in ROS, the open-source framework for robotics, the ROS Wiki is a fantastic resource for documentation, tutorials, and community support. 6. MITC SAIL. EDU, the Computer Science and Artificial Intelligence Laboratory at MIT, is a leading research institution in the field of robotics. Their website provides information on cutting-edge research and projects. 7. NASA Robotics. NASA.gov/robotics. If you're interested in space robotics, NASA's website offers a wealth of information about the robots and technology used in space exploration. 8.roboticstrends.com. This site covers the latest trends and developments in the robotics industry, including consumer and industrial robots. Remember that the best website for you will depend on your specific interests and goals within the field of robotics. You may also find value in forums, blogs, and YouTube channels dedicated to robotics, depending on the information you're seeking.